Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And we're in our new facility. Place is quite a bit larger than Holiday, where we had our shop. And we have built a heat exchanger for a NAMCO unit. A man named Carl in Madison, Tennessee, requested to have one of these heat exchangers built. It's all 3/8 heavy walled, high pressure tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. It's got mounting brackets that can be changed in either direction in order to accommodate the infrastructure of your truck mount. And it's got 1 7/8. Now we have a previous video on our store that shows a 1-inch. This happens to be a 1.5. So I wanted to get a video in showing the 1.5. And we use a 1 7/8 flex hose to make the connection. It fits perfectly over this with a 2-inch clamp. We can secure it and get a really nice tight seal on the connection. So this unit is going again on a NAMCO truck mount, and the man in Madison, Tennessee also wanted this header, and this is a universal header. It also has a 1.5 size flex pipe, which is also matched with the inlet over there. And we start out as a 1-inch, and it's threaded. And the good thing about being threaded, we can change the pitch. It's about a 45 on a Kohler engine on the exhaust port, but it's also up and down like the Vanguard and the Honda, so you can actually change the direction in which this flange is headed. It can go up and down, or it can go in an angular like this Kohler engine. This is a CH752 3100 27 horse Kohler. We put on the 45 SE series as well as the compact series. And this header is just beautiful. It's all machined. We have a special skill set in how we do it. And he requested to have this along with his beautiful heat exchanger here. Everything's all stainless, real solid, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. And again, the inlet is on this side coming off your unloader, 3/8 mil pipe thread. And the discharge is on this side. And that will be connecting to your high out, going to your panel. So we take a lot of pride in what we do. If you look us up on Google, you'll know that we have come long ahead of this industry for what we do. We're the only company in the U.S. that will do ProChem aftermarkets, which are a problematic industry in the way of their heat exchangers. They were discontinued and left a lot of people high and dry. So we do all kinds of heat exchangers for Steamway, Hydromaster, the Hurricane. We have videos showing various installations on our truckmountstore.com 24/7. And our Access Point heat exchangers, which can be placed anywhere on these truck mounts. In this case, this is a compact series 45. These are the headers here, very much similar to the universal header, but it's fixed position. And as you can see, it comes across and steps up through a 1 1/4, the 1-inch, and then over into a 1.5 coupling, and then comes down as a 1.5 by 6-inch pipe nipple. And then here is your 1 7/8. So we're very versatile. We have a full machine shop here to do everything we need to keep all America's floor care people on the road to making money and keeping their truck mounts without actually having to go out and get a loan to buy a new truck mount. We'll keep your truck mount running for as long as you have it, and to save you money and keep you on the road making money. All our heat exchangers are fully 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and we have a lot of videos like on our YouTube channel, 270 videos plus. Just put in Mr. Blue Baron and the number 1, and you'll go right into our channel and see how many videos we have. We've been doing this for 18 years. I've been 44 years in the industry. I'm a veteran of the armed forces, and I enjoy what I do. And If you're interested in a truck mount, give us a call. We just did a couple installations this week on 47XL and a 47XL combo, as you've seen in previous videos. This one's going in Nantucket. By Wednesday, it will be on the pallet and off, and off to on an LTL carrier. So if you want these headers built in a different way, we can build them in any way that you like. You can change the direction in which they go. Like if you decided to have it mounted on the left side, looking toward the front of the machine, or you want it on the right side. If you want it extended elbows, that you want more fittings, just go on our store. We have everything you need to do a real professional installation and help you along the way in keeping your truck mount running and getting the really good heat that you need for your unit. And these, like I said, these have lasted many, many years. I have truck mounts, Blue Baron truck mounts, 18 years, still with the same heat exchanger. So we've become very well known, even worldwide. We've sold a lot to Australia and to people, especially with the ProChem 405s, Legends and Bruins. But we'll make them in any style you'd like. This happens to be a 33-inch by 4-inch heat exchanger, heavy walled, scheduled 10. That means this is 3/16 thick. So it's got a thick shell, very sturdy, and it can go on a White Magic or a 4.7 Hydromaster PTO or a 1200 White Magic PTO. And it can go on any type of truck mount that you so desire to put it on. It'll get great heat. And if you have any questions, call me. We can even do FaceTime if you have issues on how to mount your heater, whether it be the Access Point quad heater down here with 80 feet of high pressure tubing, same tubing that is in this one here, 3,500 pounds pressure rated as usual, patented design. So look us up online, truckmountstore.com. Go to the old site at truckmountcarpetcleaningmachines.com. It's been there since 2005. It's mostly an informational site, not so much for online purchasing, but it's very, very informative. You'll see a huge amount of testimonies, and you'll see what we're all about. So call us today at 727-505-2989 and look us up on the truckmountstore.com. And also keep in mind, if you ever need a waste tank, a recovery tank, just Google us and you'll notice that we show up pretty much everywhere. And the inline filter box as well. That has been a very good equipment to use on the inline portion of your tank. And it's called the inline filter box, all stainless, 3/16 thick. So until the next video, have a good one. Thank you.